Okay, now we will introduce the portable cryolipolysis weight loss machine. Okay, now we will introduce the spare parts for this machine. This is the water cup for injecting water tube. Okay, and this is the scrubber for the working handle. And also here is some spare parts for the working handle. Okay, and this is the replace heads for this working handle. There are two crown handles for this machine. And this is the bun tie and some small spare parts, and the power line, and the fat caliper, and the anti-freezing membranes. Now we will install well the working handle. Okay, the first step, we will need to use this rubber to insert here. Please match the. Second step, we will use the filter foam, put here. And the last step, use this leak-proof strip. We need to make sure this part is installed well, because the liquid, to avoid the liquid rush back to the working handle. Okay, after the rubber installed well, we will put this handle cup on the working handle, like this. Match the position, and the last step, we will use this part and then tie it. And the same operation. Okay, next step, we will teach how to install well the working handle. Okay, you can see there are two tips inside. First step, we have to press the white button beside of the working handle. Okay, press and make sure these two tips are up, and then match the hole inside, and then press. Okay, and when you want to take out this working handle, the same operation, we have to press these two white button, press and then pull out. Okay, it is very easy. Then we install well again. And another working handle is the same. Okay, press first and then insert. Okay, this is the wastewater bottle for this machine. When the wastewater inside beyond 2-3 liquid, we have to clean the water inside. Okay, there are two solutions for cleaning the water. One is we should turn this bottle, and then take out this wastewater bottle and then clean the water inside. Another solution is we can press this tip until it is up, then we can release the water inside. Total two solutions. Okay, when we start to use this machine, we have to inject full water inside. Okay, please remember, this is very important. Okay, this is the water outlet hole, water inlet hole, and the water overflow hole. Okay, when we want to inject the water, we have to insert two holes. One is the water inlet hole. Before installation, we have to press this silver button. Press first, make sure the tip is up, then insert the water cup inside. Okay, press. Okay, and another tube, we should insert to the water overflow hole, and the same operation, press and then insert. Okay, now we inject the water. If the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, when you want to release the water inside, we just need to use this tube to insert to the water outlet hole. Okay, then the water will come out from the machine. Now we start the machine. press the green button behind of the machine and then press this silver button. Okay, you can see you have two options. One is the cryo treatment directly, and another is heating first and then cooling and then heating. Okay, now we choose the first function. You can see we can adjust the treatment time and adjust the temperature. Okay, the lowest temperature is -13. Okay, and the modes for option and the vacuum suction adjustment. After setting, press start. And the same operation after setting all, press start button. Then you can see the working handle. You can see all the parameters here and then press this white button to start the machine. Then next function, you can see we can choose the heating time and the cooling time. Okay, you can adjust according to your requirement after setting, and here is the temperature adjustment. Okay, and the modes, vacuum suction. After setting all, start button, press. Okay, when you press this button, you can choose the languages. Okay, before doing the cryo treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membrane on your treatment part to protect the skin. Okay. Okay, after setting all the parameters on screen, normally we will suggest to use a lower temperature and lower suction for the beginning, and you can increase step by step if your client can accept. Okay, then after setting, we put the working handle on the treatment part and then press this white button on the working handle.